aming nasa dilangit manaynayaw kahit rin oras. Dasoy kami dengan tumagod isang walang ako Diyos. Di manis ito na yung kapagsiyawa Diyos. Sekarang namulo madang kapagsiyawa Diyos.
Buried a few million tears I've cried. Growing old, yes, I'll die with this river in my soul. Thank you.
Dating programa tapos na yung offshoot di programa pa rin last December 15 nung wala ko may challenge na tayo ni Jose Kayanan ni consultant panalan na apay na tayo na katarayan ito yung baptisi na ito damatan ti supportan yung apay nila kurang pa ilang trade. So, diyan na niya sagsagay sa Bayo ada timandali grupo ngayon may first na pero washers in the private areas. Ada Mr. Roden Marshall na Bibigas. Ito na nanganuhin ang kami na pero washers ni nangiparugi ng instrument operation na ito kat ay kasali niya makaparagsak. Nagtikunan na lumaban pa rin, kaya nila umay dito, yung awan pag-ugasan ni. So, lumaban pa rin katika nakaliti area na patakdaran niti constructed facility, tapos umay kami garon. Tali kakasi kami dyan, tudo, mafuflad na area, tinalipit. So, siya batas na nila
we are thankful to God for opening our eyes, hearts, and minds to gradually understand what is baptism, its programs and services, why and how it was established, and who were the people behind. At first, baptism was so difficult to accept. For we are told that baptism and not the baptism will do the marketing of farmers' produce. These negative issues hurt and blinded us, resulting to seeking places in the private areas, stay out at LGBTQ. Turn back and close our ears to baptism. Series of meetings were full of conflicting minds and never made for a common goal. Thanks to Dr. Yolita Santa, the Chief of Operations Officer, for her enlightenment about baptism. Ito yung umimprove, pa-improve ang tayo mag-itibayan ng Pilipinas. Yan po lang ang aming sasalaysay sa umagang ito.